The name of story is Never Give Up, an inspirational story. Rohan was an 18 years old boy from a small village who dreamed of becoming a pilot ever since he was a child. He would stare at the airplanes flying overhead, imagining himself in the cockpit. But coming from a humble background, his dreams seemed impossible. His father was a farmer and their family struggled to make ends meet. After finishing high school, Rohan told his parents about his dream. His father looked at him with kind but worried eyes and said, "Son, it's a noble dream, but it's not easy. We barely have enough money for basic needs." However, Rohan was determined. He promised himself he would find a way. He took up odd jobs to save money, working as a delivery boy during the day and studying aviation books at night. People around him mocked him, saying, "Why are you wasting your time? People like us don't become pilots." But Rohan ignored them. He kept his eyes on his goal. One day, Rohan came across a scholarship program for aviation training. It required passing a rigorous entrance exam with no formal coaching. He prepared on his own, using second hand books and free online resources. For months, he studied tirelessly, waking up at 4 am every day to squeeze in extra hours before work. On the day of exam, Rohan gave it his all. A month later, results were announced. He had secured the scholarship. It covered his entire pilot training. His family could not believe it. Tears of joy rolled down his father's face as he hugged Rohan and said, "You have made us so proud." But the journey was not over. The training was grueling both mentally and physically. Rohan faced failures during flight simulation, and there were times he doubted himself. But every time he felt like giving up, he reminded himself of the sacrifices his family had made and the years of hard work he had put in. After years of perseverance, Rohan finally earned his pilot's license. On his first official flight as commercial pilot, he invited his parents on board. As the plane soared into the sky, Rohan turned to his father and said, "This is for all the times you believed in me when no one else did." The passengers applauded and his father's eyes filled with pride. Rohan's stories become an inspiration for many in village, proving that with determination, hard work, and the refusal to give up, even the most impossible dreams can come true. Moral: no matter how tough the journey, never give up on your dreams. Your perseverance will pave the way to success.